Good morning, Durhamtown, or Georgia Off-Road Resort Adventure, something. Anyways, good morning. It is a beautiful day today, I must say. And today's gonna be a whole lot of fun. We got the Comanche out. We got her aired down. We're waiting on Mike and Brandy because they were the only other people brave enough to come with us. Wasn't that right, Bear?
Yep.
You don't even know what I'm talking about.
Nope.
No? Did you get you some cool swag?
I did.
Yeah.
Durhamtown.
Alright. So yeah. Basically, where's that map? Here, throw me the map. So this is open it up. This is a side-by-side dirt bike park. Four-wheeler park. Now they do have a Jeep trails, but it's not what you would think. So that right there, so this right here, Jeep Park 2, that's where we're going. So that's all the room we have to ride with. So I don't know how this is gonna go, but we're gonna give it all the way. We're definitely gonna give full sends. We're aired down to 10 PSI, so we're gonna give it. The facility is pretty cool. It's got a little restaurant right here. So breakfast and lunch and dinner, they sell all that. And then they've got a bunch of rentals and things like that. They have stuff for sale. They have a mechanic shop on site, so that's pretty cool. They have a whole pro shop, which is right here. And you can buy gloves, helmets, all that fun stuff, and it's pretty cool. But anyways, yeah. So our cabin is over there. Is right over here. So later on, after we get done riding, I'll show you guys what it looks like. But yeah, looks like everybody else is getting prepped and ready to go. So hopefully this is gonna turn out fine. So this is the main road to Durhamtown. And you got all this parking and you have tracks all around you. I mean, this place is huge. This place is monstrous. All these MX tracks. Jumps and stuff. I guess you choose your own adventure. Right now we're about to go yell at Brandy and Mike. And these are campsites B. They're like the furthest away from the park. Oh. $9.30. What cards? Oh. Oh, they gave us holy crap. Alright.
I'm late, it's my fault.
There's their school bus. It's awesome. Alright, let's go get them signed in so we can go wheeling. Need some dirt therapy. So they got Jeep Park number 1, which is closed because it's like a hunting property. And then they got Jeep Park number 2, which is open, so $15 or $25 recovery. So if we get stuck, we gotta pay $25. It's like they don't have a whole lot of faith. So the Jeep Park is in zones, so it doesn't have like a easy, medium, hard. It just has zones. So I don't know. We'll just Steering's bad for you. That's when you break shit. But that's not too bad. I mean, see if you can you do a, you're in 4 low, right?
4 low. I tried it in 4 high. First and second.
Yeah, you
Right down to 4 low and shoot me in second.
put it in first gear. See if it'll just sit there and crawl and eat. Easy, let it crawl. A little bit driver. Passenger. There it goes. Yeah, keep it moving. I can't tell if it's gaining anything or not. I can't tell if you're moving forward. Give it a couple of bounces of the throttle. Don't do that. All right. Bounce it forward, like bump it. Easy. The good thing is you'll fall in the ruts and you'll just go straight down. So, I mean, it ain't gonna hurt nothing. Bump it. There it is. Nice. Woo! God, that looks so much worse in real life. Let them squirrels sing. You'd have had it.
Sounds like we bouncing when we go over
You'd have had it. Do that exact same thing. Yeah, you had it. If you'd have kept going, you'd have had it. Just don't let off. Commit. Commit. A little bit more.
Oh, committing is just.
You gotta commit more. You gotta give it your all. Why'd you let off? Is it? It's sketchy. It looks great. The Jeep looks stable.
Yeah, it doesn't. It's not bouncing around.
Yeah, it looks great.
There we go.
Nice. Good job. Alright, so we are giving it all the way here. We got some green beans going on. And then we got, everybody say hi. Say hi, Dee. Here we go. There's Bear, and Brandy, and Brantley, and mine. About to cook some grub. So, got the grill going. Got the vehicles. I don't know where the other one is. Down here somewhere. There it is. We just got done off the trails. Had a great day. Everything was fantastic. So now we are enjoying ourselves. We are cooking up some grub. So let me show you this situation here. So we got an attachment, and then we have an RV. All right. So this is called Homer's Place, and when you walk in, it's fantastic. Got a bed back here. That's where we slept. And then you got another bed back here. And then you have a whole bathroom situation, toilet, shower back there. It's really cool. So yeah, we are cooking up some grub. All right, we'll see you.